advice to help you utilize the power of email marketing. You've probably never heard the term email marketing before, but more than likely you have seen it. It's everywhere. Your favorite companies have more than likely sent you a message telling you about a product. This is email marketing in its purest form. Does this sound like something you would want to use? Granting that it is, then continue watching. You, or someone else, should proofread your email before you send it to customers. Ensure that it is free from typographical and grammatical errors. You should also make certain that the message flows easily. By checking these 3 issues are addressed, your email marketing will have a professional appearance. Minimize traditional email marketing activities during the holidays. Customers are preoccupied with family and friends, and are less likely to be paying attention to business email. Your odds of ending up in the spam box are considerably higher, which could have longer-term implications for your bottom line. The major exception to this would be a business directly related to the holiday activities. Otherwise, give yourself a break and enjoy some downtime yourself. Business will be back on track in a day or 2. Each message needs a clear message. Keep the content down to a digestible amount of material. Throwing too much at a customer will overwhelm them. Create a message, keep it short and make your point. Your consumers will like it when they are not bombarded with unnecessary information. Consistency is important. Be consistent in your emails, using the same colors, and always including the company logo. Use a legible, easy-to-read font. People will eventually recognize your layout and know right away that you are the sender. Cultivating familiarity, or branding, is an important part of marketing, especially through email. After countless times of encountering email marketing, you finally know what it is. Put simply, it's using the medium of emails to send messages either current customers or future customers for the sole purpose of marketing to them. Now that you know what it is, make use of it in your own emails. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.